This home sits on a large private lot that is nearly 1 acre and is set back off the road. The paved driveway provides ample parking. First floor primary bedroom west/ensuite. Upgrades include 2 new 2020 HVAC units, new Craftsman Door west/keyless entry, exterior ring security camera/light and Kohler self-cleaning toilets installed in 2020. The house has lovely wood laminate flooring and stainless steel appliances. Freshly painted interior, 2022 west/spacious room sizes and great natural light. The second floor has hall storage space, a full bathroom and 2 guest rooms. The guest room on the left is huge with a seating area and 3 closets. Great outdoor space west/a wonderful backyard west/pergola and patio. New wood fence installed in 2020 and a shed for extra storage. Shed conveys as is. An ideal location for pet owners looking for attached dog runs. The garage offers loads of storage and space for a workshop area. Just 1 mile past the James City/New Kent County line on Route 60/Pocahontas Trail.